Hi there and welcome back to the Good Food Baddie channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this rich, creamy cashew cream veggie pasta. It's so good and easy. It's made all in one pot. So I'm going to start by showing you the cold method for soaking your cashews. Start by taking 2 cups of cashews and cover them with purified water. Then we're going to cover that and let it soak for 2 to 3 hours. Then drain the cashews and we're going to transfer them to our food processor or blender. And then we're going to pour about 1.25 cups of vegetable broth, some lemon juice, and garlic cloves. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, Italian seasoning, and I'm going to blend that for about a minute or two until I get this nice, smooth, creamy consistency. And you see here, it looks perfect and creamy. Has a bit of a red tint from the cayenne pepper. I made my sauce savory and spicy. I do show how to make a simple cashew cream and use the quick hot method, and those videos are linked below. So now we're going to move on to the next step and put 1 tablespoon of vegan butter into our pan, and then 1 chopped red onion, and we're going to saute that for about 3 to 5 minutes until it becomes nice and caramelized. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of chopped fresh rosemary and saute that for about a minute. And now I'm going to add my mushrooms. I love oyster mushrooms. They're hearty and they're meaty, and I'm going to saute about 2 cups of mushrooms for about 3 to 5 minutes until they become nice and golden brown. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of fresh spinach, and I'm going to saute that for about 2 to 3 minutes until it wilts. And now I'm going to season it with red crushed peppers, Italian seasoning, some paprika, and I'm going to saute that all together and mix the ingredients well. Now I'm going to start to make some space for the zucchini noodles, just so that I can saute them for just a minute. You don't want to overcook the noodles because then they can get very, very soggy. So I'm going to season them with some pepper and some salt, and then I'm just going to stir the zucchini noodles in with the rest of the ingredients. Now I'm going to add my delicious creamy cashew sauce. It looks so good. And I'm just going to mix the ingredients together and make sure every single noodle gets soaked in the cashew cream sauce. Now the cashew cream veggie pasta is all done. I'm just going to top with some Italian parsley, and voila, we're all finished. It looks amazing. You can find more recipes and videos at GoodFoodBaddie.com. Definitely check out my blog and YouTube. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.